Analyze persona consistency is support software for a specific operational decision, analyzes conversational patterns to ensure persona remains consistent across all dialogue turns. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. This platform you for sure afraid you for assistant review rules and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Analyze persona consistency narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Analyze persona consistency starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include average sentence length, formality variance, empathy density, jargon usage, and tone consistency rating. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the sentence structure consistency score based on how close the average sentence length is to the optimal range and the variance in formality. Calculate the empathy jargon balance index by rewarding higher empathy density and penalizing excessive jargon usage. Calculate the overall persona consistency percentage by weighting the structure score, balance index, tone consistency rating, and active listening ratio. Determine the persona drift severity category, stable, moderate drift, significant drift based on structure score, balance index, and the problem-solving approach type. And calculate a score representing adherence to defined persona keywords based on the keyword usage ratio. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how support teams actually make decisions. Analyze persona consistency returns structured outputs such as persona consistency, structure score, empathy jargon balance, persona drift severity, and consistency matrix analysis. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of analyze persona consistency is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated support work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.